vine fue a esto.
Fucking what is it?
Flash out of the list.
I swear to God.
Shouldn't be up there, should you?
I got a fight.
What's going on, man? Oh my gosh.
Mama!
I love you too. Come on. Oh.
Pop it, twist it, pull it, twist it, pop it, twist it. Wow!
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
His name is John C.
Bro. This is what happens to bad kitties. Are you stuck? Promise. It's okay. Allie!
Said what?
Just say what? Under here?
Oh yeah.
Kitty, you good?
That joke was really funny.
No.
Merv, candy's not for cats.
Thank you!
Și să mi-i pliculeți cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te și...
Hey, don't eat that. There it is. Fuck!
Trying. Oh.
What do you want?
Pennifer, Beneficent, Penelope, Panini. You go to your room right now.
Free the cat! Was hat sie getan?
Sätter du fast? Sätter du fast, din idiot?
Be nice. I see you. I see you. I see you.
You're not helping. You're not being a very emotionally supportive cat.
Are you stuck?
Kelly.
Said what?
Just say what?
Can you hold on? I love you. Oh, I love you too. How did you even get up there?
Okay.
Guess where we're going, Jermaine?
Camping! Rapunzel, let down your neck!
You are getting very sleepy.
I guess the cat's out of the bag.
What in the hell did I do with my keys? And my tail? Da-dun, da-dun. No, wait! The irony, Janine. You're allergic to me and me, the onion. Here's your towel, but I demand 4 bananas an hour. No way, you little chimpanzee. Well, I quit. Damn! Listen, Greg, you fluff with me, you get the roly-poly. We named him Oscar because he lives in the trash, and he's a grouch. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, and you are ready to be shipped. So long, Frank. Help me. I am the casting director. Oh, that was a gunshot. Kenneth. Everyone get your heads down. Kenneth. That was a drive-by attempt, Frank. Kenneth, that was a neighbor's car backfiring. They're coming for the eggs. Kenneth. They're coming for the eggs. Papa? Not it. No, Jeremy, you can't eat that. Here's a massage technique I use on old bats like your mom. Hey, Toby, what are you doing out here? Oh, just talking to the man upstairs. Howdy. I am Cornholio. Terry, I know it's hard, but you gotta sign the divorce papers, bro. How could she do this to me? Gotta hype myself up. Yeah! Did I do it? Excuse me, I was sitting there. I'm allergic to myself. Okay, Papa, I'm ready to work out. You're 5 minutes late. Wait, Papa! First exercise. Papa, please! It's called Jump the Chump. So far, you are the chump. No, again. Pick up the pace, pussyfoot. Dinner's ready. Oh, ow, what the? I'm telling Mom. No, it was a fly, Gary. Look, there it is. It would have gave you retriever fever. Is there anyone on earth as majestic as me? Oh, my apologies. I just got done bathing. Can you pass it to me through the door?
Do you want to eat? Okay.
Why won't you adopt me?
Because you're black.
You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick us up one little kernel at a time.
Do you want to eat? Okay. Mr. Chief. Face the camera.
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
Dude, you look dope.
Laugh about it. That wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Look at him! Look at him! He is traumatized.